In the previous lecture, we determined the critical path of a network by calculation of total float of the each activity. Here we will solve the example problem to find the critical path without calculation of the total float. Let's see the problem. The following table shows the jobs of a project with their duration in days. Draw the network and determine the critical path. Here it is given the various jobs along with its time duration. Then we have to draw the network and determine the critical path. Let's see the solution. First step is the list all the jobs and draw the network diagram. So these are the jobs or activities along with its time duration. Next we have to draw the network diagram. First we have to start with the activity 1 to 2. So first we have to draw the activity 1 to 2. Then I have to draw the activity 1 to 3 and draw the activity 1 to 4. Next one is the activity 2 to 5. This is the activity 2 to 5. And next one is the 3 to 7. This is the activity 3 to 7. Next one is the activity 4 to 6. Next one is the 5 to 7. For this one, event 5 also there, event 7 also there. Then I have to connect the event 5 and 7 by the arrow. This is the activity 5 to 7. Next one is the activity 5 to 8. And next one is the activity 6 to 7. For this one, connect the event 6 and 7 by the arrow. This is the activity 6 to 7. Next one is the activity 6 to 9 and next one is the activity 7 to 10. Next we have to connect the event 8 and 10 by arrow. This is the activity 8 to 10. Similarly, next one I have to connect the event 9 and 10 by arrow. This is the activity 9 to 10. Next one is the 10 to 11 and last one is the 11 to 12. Second step is the indicate the normal time for each activity above the arrow. Then I have to indicate the time duration for all the activities in the network diagram. For the activity 1 to 2, time duration is the time 10 days. For activity 1 to 3, time duration is 8 days. And 1 to 4, 9 days. 2 to 5, 8 days. 3 to 7, 16 days. 4 to 6, 7 days. And 5 to 7 is the 7 days. 5 to 8 also 7 days. Next one is the 6 to 7, 8 days. 6 to 9, 5. 7 to 10, it is the 12. And 8 to 10, 10 days. 9 to 10, 15 days. 10 to 11, 8. And the last activities, time duration is the 5 days. Next step is calculate the earliest start time and earliest finish time by the forward pass computation and represent the earliest time EI at event I. And also calculate the latest finish time and latest start time by the backward pass method and represent the latest time LJ for each event J. So first we have to calculate the earliest start time and earliest finish time by the forward pass method. First we have to start with the activity 1 to 2. For activity 1 to 2, earliest start time is the 0 and finish time will become the 0 plus 10, it is the 10. And next activity 1 to 3, for activity 1 to 3 start time is the 0 and earliest finish time is the 0 plus 8, that is 8. And next for the activity 1 to 4, earliest start time is the 0 and finish time is the 0 plus 9, it is the 9. Next activity 2 to 5. For activity 2 to 5, earliest start time is the 10 and finish time will become the 10 plus 8, that is the 18. Next activity 3 to 7. For activity 3 to 7, earliest start time is the 8 and finish time 8 plus 16, 24. And next one is the activity 4 to 6. For activity 4 to 6, start time is the 9 and finish it time, earliest finish it time is the 9 plus 7, that is the 16. Next activity 5 to 7. So for activity 5 to 7, start time is the 18 and finish it time 18 plus 7, it is the 25. Next one is the activity 5 to 8. For activity 5 to 8, start time is the 18 and finish it time is the 18 plus 7, it is the 25. Next one is the activity 6 to 7. For activity 6 to 7, start time is the 16 and finish it time 16 plus 8, 24. Here observe that one at the event 7. So event 7 is the merge event for the activities 5 to 7, 3 to 7 and 6 to 7. For finish it time at the event 7, we will be consider the maximum value among these three values. Among these three values, maximum time is the 25. So earliest finish it time at event 7 is the 25. Next one is the activity 6 to 9. Start time is the 16 and finish it time 16 plus 5, 21. Next one is the activity 7 to 10. For activity 7 to 10, start time is the 25. Finish it time will become the 25 plus 12, 37. Next one is the 8 to 10. For 8 to 10, start time is the 25 and finish it time will become the 25 plus 10, 35. Next one is the 9 to 10. For 9 to 10, start time is the 21 and finish it time is the 25 plus 15, that is the 36. Here observe that one the event 10 is the merge event for the activities 8 to 10, 7 to 10 and 9 to 10. So here finish it time at event we will be consider the maximum value among these three values. So maximum value is the 37. So finish it time at event 7 will become the 37. Next one 10 to 11, start time is the 37 and finish it time 37 plus 8, 45. And next activity 11 to 12, start time is the 45 and finish it time will become the 45 plus 5, this is the 50. Next we have to calculate the latest finish it time and start time by the backward pass computation. At the last event, that is the event 12, latest finish it time will become the earliest finish it time. Here latest finish it time for the activity 12 is the 50. So then the observe for the activity 11 to 12, start time will become the 50 minus 5, 45. Next for the activity 10 to 11, so finish it time is the 45 and the start time will become the 45 minus 8, that is the 37. And next one is the 9 to 10. For activity 9 to 10, finish it time is the 37, start time will become the 37 minus 15, that is the 22. And next one is the activity 8 to 10, finish it time is the 37 and start time will become the 37 minus 10, 27. Next one is the 7 to 10, finish it time is the 37 and start time will become the 37 minus 12, this is the 25. Next one activity 5 to 8, finish it time is the 27 and start time will become the 27 minus 10, that is the 20. And next one is the activity 5 to 7, so finish it time is the 25 and start time will become the 25 minus 7, that is the 18. And next one is the, so here observe that one the event 5 is the burst event for the activities 5 to 8 and activities 5 to 7. So among these two values I have to consider the minimum value, that is the 18. So at the event 5, latest start time will become the 18. And next one is the activity 6 to 7. For activity 6 to 7, latest finish time is the 25 and start time will become the 25 minus 8, 17. So next one is the activity 6 to 9. So finish time is the 22 and start time will become the 22 minus 7, that is the 17. Here also event 6 is the burst event for the activity 6 to 7 and the 6 to 9. Among these two we have to consider the minimum value. Here both the values is the 17 only, have to consider the 17 only. So next one is the activity 4 to 6, finish time is the 17 and start time will become the 17 minus 7, that is the 10. Next one is the activity 3 to 9. For activity 3 to 9, finish time is the 25. So 25 minus 16, it will become the early, so latest start time is the 9. Next one is the activity 2 to 5, finish time is the 18. Then start time will become the 18 minus 8, that is the 10. So next activity 1 to 2, finish time is the 10, start time will become the 10 minus 10, 0. Next for the activity 1 to 3, finish time is the 9, start time will become the 9 minus 8, 1. Next activity 1 to 4, finish time is the 10 and start time will become the 1. Here event 1 also burst event for the activity 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. So here we have to consider the latest start time is the minimum value among these three values, that is the 0. Next step is the identify the critical activities and connect them with the beginning and ending events in the network diagram by double line arrows. We know that for critical activities, earliest time equal to the latest time. Here observe that one for activity 1 to 2, earliest start time equal to the latest start time. And also earliest finish time is equal to the latest finish time. So activity 1 to 2 is the critical activity. Similarly observe that one for activity 2 to 5 also, earliest event time equal to the latest start time. Similarly for the activity 5 to 7 also, earliest event time equal to the latest event time. And also for the activity 7 to 10 also, earliest event time equal to the latest event time. And for the activity 10 to 11 also, earliest event time equal to the latest event time. Finally activity 11 to 12 also, earliest event time equal to the latest event time. So here observe that one activities 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12 are the critical activities and the critical path is the 1 to 5, 7, 10, 11, 12. So then I have to calculate the total project duration. So total project duration is the time duration for the critical path. So that is the summation of 1 to 2, that is the 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5. So total time duration of the project is the 50 days. This is the solution. Thank you.